Hello friends, welcome to Programming Knowledge. In this video we will see that how to combine the result of two select statement from two another tables, two different tables basically. So for that we use union operator. The union operator is used to combine the result set of two or more select statements coming from multiple tables. So there are some conditions to use union operator. The first one is each select statement within union must have the same number of columns. So if you have two columns in one table, let's say, and three columns in another table, then you won't perform union operation. The second one is the column must also have the similar data type. So the SQL combine the result set of the entire query. So the individual select statement must have the similar data type, and the columns in each select statement must also be the same order. Okay, so let me just open terminal. MySQL. Let me see which are the database that we have. I have database here. Just use that. So our database is changed. Let me show you the tables. So here we are going to use student and student 2 tables. Let me show you the content of student table. And student 2 table, basically they both are same except the student 2 doesn't contain any records for surname fields. So let me use union. Select. I want to select ID. Let's say roll number. Okay, from the student 1. From student, I want to union this with another select. Let's say ID. As you can see, we have this and this data here, and union only shows the distinct values. If your the data appears in both tables, then it won't show two times, it only shows one time. So let me show you another example. Select roll number from student, union, let's say select name here. As you can see, first appear roll number from this table and another name from this table. One thing that you observe that in student 2 table we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows, while here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only 5 rows. Now why is that? Let me just show you in MySQL workbench. Just terminate this. MySQL workbench. Let me write the same query. Select roll number from student, union, select name from student 2. Here, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is because if you see the records which are present in student table, student 2 table, sorry, uh, the Alex appears 2 times. So as I said earlier, it won't show the result multiple times, it only shows one time. But if you want to force it, if you want to force the SQL query to show the duplicate records also, then you can use union then all. And again I will fire this query. As you can see, we are getting Alex multiple times, twice. Okay, so this is how you can combine the result of select statement which are coming from multiple tables. You can use as many as of tables, but there are three conditions that I mentioned in starting of the video. Each select statement within union must have the same number of columns and data type must be same. Okay, thanks for watching.